In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Sendwave in USA. Before we begin, make sure you have the Sendwave app installed, a reliable internet connection, and access to your email and phone, since you'll need both during setup. Start by opening the Sendwave app. On the welcome screen, look for the option to create a new account and tap Sign Up. You'll be asked for your full name. Enter your legal name exactly as it appears on your ID or bank documents. This helps avoid issues later if the app needs to verify your identity. Next, enter your email address. Use an email you check often, since important updates and receipts can arrive there. After that, you'll see a phone number field with a small flag icon. Tap the flag to choose your country code. In the list, search for or scroll to United States and select it, so your number is set to the correct +1 code. Type in your mobile number carefully, double checking for any typos. This number is crucial for receiving verification codes and for securing your account. You'll also see a prompt asking where you're sending first. Tap it and choose the destination country you plan to send money to initially. Don't worry, you can change or add destinations later. This simply sets a default to make your first transfer faster. Before proceeding, you'll see a checkbox confirming you agree to the app's terms and policies. Read the summary if available, then check the box to continue. When everything looks good, tap Sign Up to move forward. A verification code will be sent to your mobile number via text. Keep the app open, check your messages, and enter the code exactly as you received it. If it doesn't arrive right away, wait a few moments or request a new code and ensure your phone has signal. Never share this code with anyone. It's used to protect your account. Once verified, you'll be prompted to create a PIN. Choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Avoid simple sequences or anything tied to personal dates. Tap Create PIN, then re-enter the same PIN to confirm, and tap Confirm PIN. That's it. Your account is created. You should see a confirmation on screen. From here, you can explore the app to get familiar with the layout, and when you're ready, you can continue setting up your profile and preparing for your first transfer securely and confidently.